Today, I'm talking to you a little bit about energy versus time. We hear a lot about time management, but actually it's our energy that we need to manage. We can structure our time, but if we don't know how much energy we're expending in our business, things can get pretty complicated. And it's one of the reasons why we often burn out is because we don't actually have that balance between what is energy and what is the amount of time. So we all think that in order to be more effective in our business that we have to put more time in when we first start. But those increased demands that we're placing on ourselves takes away our energy. And that means that we then have less patience, less time for ourselves, less time for our families, and the equation just basically tips in the not so favorable area rather than favorable. And you're also more likely to get sick and increase your medical costs and everything else. And then all those hours working actually don't make any sense, and you're probably not going to be very happy. So our key issues here is that time is a very finite resource. Whereas if we can get our energy balance right, it is unlimited. If we can do the things that really help sustain us and keep sparking us up and keep giving us the energy to be able to do the best that we can do, that's definitely not going to deplete your energy. So the first thing I want you to do is to think about what are some of the things that deplete your energy. And I'd like you to have a journal handy or just a piece of paper. Pause this video if you need to, and go and write down the things in your business or in your life that suck your energy, the things that you really dislike doing. Be really honest with yourself. See what it is that is taking your energy away. And then I want you to make a second list about all the things that give you energy, all the things that fill your cup and make you feel alive. So it could be something like bubble baths or taking a walk on the beach. The things that are depleting your energy could be things like answering your emails or dealing with changes to the bookings. So, there are always options for dealing with all of those things that are not that exciting for you, that take your energy. I want you to see if you can also come up with a solution for those things that are depleting your energy. So, there are people out there who will take care of your inbox for you. You'll have to do a bit of work initially so that you can really help them, but there are plenty of virtual assistants out there that can help you with how to deal with some of these technical things that you really don't want to deal with, so that you've got time to do some of the things that are actually going to generate you an income or that are going to generate more energy in your business.